What's going on, guys? Got another package to open up. Helping me out today, we got the SPK Lamia clone. This thing's better than the real one. I feel bad for everybody that spent $900 on this knife. Clones are getting better and better and better. Sorry I got you guys bouncing around. You're mounted on my chest right now. Any of you guys get snow? We just had a crazy snowstorm last night. Got about an inch of ice on top of 4 inches of snow. Look at my guy Jason pack this thing like a pro. That's what I like to see. That, ladies and gentlemen, is how you're supposed to package a knife. What do we got? You don't know what that is? Nice. This little card's cool. I'm happy to have that. My boy Serge Panchenko. This was supposed to be on the box, but they got rid of the box, so I get this. This is cool though. I like it. This is the slip thing that goes over the box. You slide it over. And this is the Serge Panchenko Slip4. Cool little knife. It's a little rough on the opening. See if I can't fix that. Not bad, not bad at all. Thanks, guys. Like, comment, share, show your grandma, all that. I appreciate y'all.